Hello, welcome back to the channel. A bit of a change of plans today. Initially, the plan was to go to Birmingham, but the weather wasn't looking too great, and I want to make a 2-day trip out of that. I wanted to do the museum one day and then go to a little bike place the next day. So tomorrow's going to rain. We'll just do a 1-day little tour down to a nice little place in Kent called Hythe. We'll see what they got. It's a lovely little village, so it should be a nice day out. Anyway, we'll get on, we'll get suited, we'll get booted, and me and Red Owl will head down. Come and join us. We just stopped off at the services. Get the forecast last night. It's 25% of rain, chance of rain. So I thought, yes, that's good chances. The outline. Drizzling. It's rained a little bit on the motorway. I'm not soaked through, but a little bit damp. But we're going to head on now, push on. Only about 10 minutes away from Hythe. Here's the military canal. Napoleonic, I think, helped to defend the town from being invaded. Really old buildings here. Especially look at that. I think looking at that as well, that's flats. Imagine having a flat in there. Amazing. Had a nice coffee and a cake in Truffle Pig. Highly recommend it. I couldn't film in there really, it was too busy. But coffee was very good and cinnamon bun was as good as it looked. So I was going to head home. Fortunately, it's just started raining a little bit again. So I think we're going to head somewhere else. See if we can sit down for half hour. Maybe see if the rain will stop. Might actually buy a book. Sit down and read a book for half hour could be nice. But all in all, it's been a good day. It's nice to get out. Nice to get out on the bike. It's good for mental health. Really why I like getting out on my bike. Best thing for clearing your head. Again, see some places new experiences. So good day so far.
So welcome back. I'm back at home. Nearly forgot to end the video. To be honest, I just wanted to get home, out the rain. Thankfully, it didn't rain too much on the way back. I did put on waterproofs on though, so it was a lot more comfortable. I think today is probably sort of the maximum amount of rainfall for it to be comfortable. I think any more than that, and when you're out on the bike, it starts to get a bit uncomfortable. Your shoes start to get wet. Putting your feet on the floor and you treading in the puddle inside your shoe or your boot. It's not a great feeling. So today was sort of, I won't say perfect weather, but bearable weather. So yeah, we got something to eat. We saw Hythe, such a nice little place. We got To Kill a Mockingbird. I should have read this. I haven't read this yet. It's a classic. I know it's a classic. So this will be, we started reading it while I waited for the rain to die in Hythe. So I'll continue reading this, and this will probably be my next week's worth of reading. Also in that butcher's that you saw in the video, I got black pudding. I know it's divisive. Some people don't like black pudding, some people do like black pudding. I love black pudding. So I thought I'd try some of their black pudding. And something called a gala pie, which not sure everyone will know what this is, but it's basically a pork pie in hot crust pastry. With an egg in the middle. Really nice. Lovely. So all in all, good day. Nice ride out. Got out on the bike. Great for your mental health. Just being out there, seeing some new things. And I hope you join me on the next one. Thank you.